Hello viewers, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a useful tool which is called the graphical tablet, or it is also called a pen tablet or a writing tab or drawing tablet. This is very useful, especially if you are teaching a subject which include complex equations or drawings and which is difficult for you to present or explain the concept by using PowerPoint or PDF, etc. So this is a tool which you can actually use for teaching purposes. And also, if you are a student, you can still use it. Or even children can play with this tool, or they can draw different designs and drawing by using this tool. But this is recommended for teachers, school teachers, college teachers, or a university faculty member. The company name is Oyen and the model is H420. It basically come with a drawing tablet and also with a stylus, a pen. Actually, the pen is a bit heavier because it has a battery inside it, but the device itself is lightweight. And also it has a cable which you can use for connecting the device with the laptop. Other models are also compatible with smart devices like smartphones, etc. But this version is only compatible with laptops. So you can connect them with a laptop or even with your PC with the help of this cable. So let us see how you can use this device for teaching purposes. Let us see and explore the use of this device. Okay, so let us see how you can actually use this device. This device is compatible with Microsoft MS uh, PowerPoint. You can use it during your presentation or even you can write on the screen. But I would prefer to use an online whiteboard, digital board for this purpose. For example, like Google Jamboard, you can use it, but my preferred digital board is Live Board. It has a free package as well. The number of participants is limited to one or two, but you can use it for teaching purposes. You just need to sign up with your own Gmail account. I already have an account registered with them, so I will click on the sign in button. And then it shows all the existing whiteboards if you have them. To start a new whiteboard, just click on the plus button. Here it will give you three options. So just select the create board option from here. Wait for a moment. It will generate the whiteboard for you in a while. Here we are. There are different options. For example, you can add more pages from here, just like this. Currently, we have only a single page. You can increase the number of pages, or even you can delete an existing page from here very easily. You can also record the session and then you can upload and download the video format of your board while you are teaching. You can share your board with other persons, and also it has option for changing the grid size, the area on which you are working. On the left side, we have different options. What is more important is the pen size. You can select it from here. The color for your writing, choose the color. It has an eraser. You can insert different shapes as well, for example circle, triangle, etc. You can write some text if you want to write it here, but we are interested in using the pen. So just pick up the stylus and you have to write something on the board. So select the pen from here and the desired color, and then you can start using the tablet for writing. Write on the tablet and then you will see the output on the screen. For example, summation I is equal to 1 and minus 1 I is actually equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2. That's it. It's very easy to write complex equations with this. You can also draw things very easily. For example, I have an array which has 3 values. It needs practice. The more you use it, the more you will be able to familiar with the device and you will feel comfortable while writing with the pen. So let us write more text here. Y is equal to 1 less than I plus. And that's it. You can also erase the things. Select the size of the eraser. You can erase anything just like this, then select the pen and write some other values. Or you can even erase the whole page with the clear page option. Okay, once you have done, you completed the one page, you can move to the second page very easily just by clicking on the page and then start writing here. For example, select the pen. This is page number 2. Okay, so you can draw many shapes as well, but it will require some practice before working with it. Once you are done, you complete your lecture, just go back to the home. Actually, it will save the thing automatically for you. For example, the work you have just created, the lecture that you have just created would be here. Here we go. Now from here you can actually download a PDF file and then you can later on share it with your students. It will take some time. Click on the link and it will download the file for you. And then you can see the generated PDF with any PDF reader. Yes, here it is, 2 pages document. You can actually share the output with the students very easily. And that's it. It was a simple demonstration video about how you can use the Hoyen H420 graphical tablet for teaching purposes with live boot, and how you can export the document into the PDF and later on you can share it with your students. So that's it. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye.